Backups offer robust protection against various threats, including ransomware and human errors, by keeping backups physically or logically separated from unsecured networks. This isolation significantly enhances data security. Moreover, organizations can meet stringent data protection regulations such as HIPAA and GDPR through air-gap backups, effectively preventing data breaches and ensuring data recoverability in the event of a compromise. The 3-2-1 backup strategy entails maintaining 3 copies of data across 2 different storage media, incorporating 1 air-gap copy for additional protection against data loss. The process of transferring backups to a lag vault can be executed through a backup plan or on-demand backup options. Sharing the vault enables cross-account access to facilitate restoration. When it comes to pricing, AWS Backup storage costs are calculated based on the average storage utilized throughout the month. Users should review the AWS pricing page for detailed information on associated costs. The demonstration illustrates how to create a lag vault using 2 AWS accounts, detailing the steps involved in setting retention periods and sharing the vault with a management account for effective backup management. To initiate resource sharing, users must first ensure that Resource Access Management (RAM) is enabled for their AWS accounts. This prerequisite is vital for successful sharing. Creating a resource share involves selecting specific resources, such as AWS Backup vaults, that need to be shared across different accounts, allowing for targeted collaboration. While sharing resources, it's crucial to restrict access to accounts within the same organization. This precaution enhances security by preventing unauthorized access from external accounts. The process of sharing vaults among accounts facilitates seamless backup management across various AWS accounts, ultimately enhancing collaboration and resource utilization. Editing backup rules demands careful consideration of retention periods to ensure they remain within specified limits, essential for effective data recovery and compliance. Establishing access policies for the vault is crucial for maintaining security, ensuring that only authorized accounts can access the backup resources. It is vital to ensure the correct account ID is used for backup configurations to maintain data integrity and security. This step plays a pivotal role in successful data management. The demonstration also includes navigating among different lag vault accounts and reviewing recovery points, enabling users to manage their backups effectively across multiple accounts. In conclusion, the video reinforces the utility of AWS Backup lag vaults, highlighting their critical role in restoring recovery points and ensuring data availability.